Hello viewers, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today's very special recipe is Millet Bisi Bele. So let's get started and check out the ingredients. Soak the millets for about 3 hours. Now I am using Foxtail Millet, 3/4 cup of Foxtail Millet. Wash it a few times and then soak it in enough water for about 3 hours. For the Millet Bisi Bele, first I am going to dry roast a few ingredients to make the Sambar Powder. Take a pan, just add a little ghee. So to this I am going to add 2 teaspoons of Chana Dal, 1 teaspoon of Urad Dal, 1.5 tablespoons of Coriander seeds, half teaspoon Cumin seeds, 1/4 teaspoon Fenugreek, 6 red chilies. Roast all the ingredients till you get a nice aroma and a nice golden brown color. So the ingredients have turned a light golden brown color. Now I am going to add 2 tablespoons of fresh grated coconut. The ingredients are roasted well. Now I am going to turn off the stove, cool this mixture and grind it to a nice fine powder. Next I am going to cook the vegetables and make the sambar. For that, take a nice kadai, add 2 to 3 teaspoons of ghee. I am going to first temper a few ingredients. Add half teaspoon of mustard seeds, half teaspoon cumin seeds. When the mustard seeds start splattering, add half teaspoon of Asafoetida powder, a few curry leaves and 1 cup of shallots. Once the onions have turned a little transparent, after about 5 minutes, I am going to add 1 carrot cut up into cubes, a few beans cut up, a cup of peas, 1 potato, add 1 drumstick. Season the vegetables with a little salt, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. After adding all the vegetables, saute for about 5 minutes. Now I am going to add a little water to cook the vegetables. So add about 2 cups of water, close the pot and let it cook for about 10 minutes. The vegetables have been cooking for about 10 minutes now. I am going to add half cup of tamarind puree to this and about 3 to 4 teaspoons of the ground sambar powder. So I am just going to add a little more water to this. Once it comes to a boil, you can taste it, and if you need more of the sambar powder, you can add more according to your taste. Keep the flame on medium, open the pot and let it cook for about 10 minutes till the raw smell goes. The sambar has been boiling for about 10 minutes now. Turn off the stove, close it and keep it aside. Next I am going to pressure cook the millets and the Toor Dal. So now the millets has been soaking for about 3 hours. I am going to add this to the pressure cooker. I have 1/3 cup of Toor Dal that's been washed. Pour enough water. To this add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now I am going to cook this for about 4 whistles on medium flame. So the millet and the Toor Dal is cooked now. So put the sambar pot back on the stove, turn on the stove and now gradually add the cooked millet and the Toor Dal into the sambar. So make sure it's all well combined, mix it well and then you can turn off the stove. So here is a different take on the regular Bisi Bele bath. So it's a very healthy option and you can try this and enjoy it with some appalam or some vattal or papad. It's a very simple recipe and it's full of flavor and very healthy as well. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on Amazon and 21 Frames.